Hi everyone, my name is Chef Gloria and this is
Chef Jewel.
Welcome to Kids Can Cook Kitchen. Today we're going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip
Cookies.
Yes, chocolate chip cookies. Here we have our ingredients. Jewel, what is this?
Margarine.
We have 113 grams of margarine.
Sugar.
This is 90 grams of sugar.
Flour.
Okay. This is self-raising flour, and this is 210 grams. What is this?
Chocolate.
Okay, these are chocolate chips, 200 grams of chocolate chips.
Skittles.
Skittles. What else have we not mentioned?
Egg.
1 egg. Vanilla essence. We'll use a teaspoon. We'll put 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. After we start by weighing our ingredients. After we weigh all our ingredients, now we start mixing our ingredients together. We're going to start with our margarine. We'll mix our margarine and our sugar. So we're going to use a mwiko or a wooden spatula. So we'll be mixing our margarine and our sugar. Mix for us.
Okay.
The mixing is called the creaming. It's called?
The
Creaming method. Mix for us. Wow. At home you can use a hand mixer instead of using a spatula. Let me help a little. You mix and mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Good job. It's easy, right?
Yes.
Can I help you?
Yes.
We mix vigorously.
Vigorously.
Vigorously means you use a lot of energy. Yes. You're supposed to mix this or you cream this until it starts becoming fluffy and creamy white. Creamy?
White.
Yes. Try again. Yeah, good job. Nice. Jewel, have you noticed that our margarine and sugar is becoming more fluffy?
Yes.
Can you notice it's becoming more fluffy?
Yes.
And it's even not as yellow as it was before. Right?
Yes.
The easiest way to cream this is by using a mixer. At home, if you have a mixer, the better. You can either use an electric hand mixer or the standalone mixer. Jewel, can you see it's changing in color?
Yes.
Vigorously. Nice. Now, is it creamy?
Yes.
It's no longer as yellow as the color of the margarine, right?
Yeah.
Now, what is our next step? We add our egg. So, crack for us the egg.
Yeah.
Use this bowl. Good. We normally crack the egg in a separate bowl so that in case the egg is spoiled, we don't have to start all over again. You crack in a separate bowl. Put for us our egg inside here. Good job. Now you continue mixing cream. Oh, slowly. Good job. Now the next step, after our egg is well mixed and combined inside the bowl, we're going to add some vanilla essence. Some vanilla
essence.
Vanilla essence is for flavor, to make our cookies taste good. And also vanilla essence helps our cookies not to taste eggish. It helps to kill the egg taste. Well, we put 1 teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Yes. I can put it as you mix. Nice job. Okay. Now once all our ingredients are well combined, I'll start adding in our self-raising flour bit by bit. I'll use a spoon. As Jewel continues mixing the ingredients, the margarine, the sugar, the egg and the vanilla, I'll be adding our flour bit by bit. As you mix, I'm adding in the flour slowly. Slowly. Nice. Can I help you?
Yes.
Okay. Add for me the flour, 1 spoon at a time.
Okay.
Okay. Continue until all the flour is over. One full spoon. Yes, add. Thank you. Add again. You're doing great. You can tilt the bowl and then you pour all of it inside here.
Huh?
Yes, you can tilt it. Thank you. Now we've added all our flour. Now the next step, we're going to add our chocolate chips. So we'll add our chocolate. You'll pour all of it. Yes, all of it. Good job. At home, if you don't have this chocolate, the chocolate chips, you can actually buy the big compound chocolate and then you cut it into very small pieces. You don't have to buy the chocolate chips. You just need to buy compound chocolate if this one is not easily accessible for you. Now we mix it up. It's going to look like a dough. You know what dough is?
Yes.
What is dough?
Dough. It's for making chapati and pizza.
Nice. This is cookie dough. This is cookie?
Dough.
Yes, because it's for cookies. It's not the same as the one for making chapati and pizza. Now, our cookie dough is ready. It's ready. Now to the fun part. To the fun
Part.
Yay. We are going to be shaping them into the shape of a bear. Into the shape of a
Bear.
bear. This is what we will do. You scoop 1 spoon. Take 1 spoon in your hands. I also will take 1 spoon. Then you roll it round like a ball. Good job. Roll it round like a ball. And then we put it on the baking tray. On our baking tray we have parchment paper. This paper is one that will help the cookies not to stick on the tray. If you don't have a parchment paper, just spread some margarine on the tray or some oil. so that your cookies do not stick on your tray. That's okay. Put it here. And then we're going to take some tiny dough to make some tiny balls.
Like this?
Yes, like that. Good job. This one we'll put it here. And then we flatten this like this. Just press it slowly. Your cookie. Press it slowly. Good. This one will be our ears. They'll be our ears. Take another one. There is a difference in color between my cookie and Jewel's cookie because the more you roll the dough, the chocolate melts in your hands because your hands are warm. The more you roll the dough, the more the chocolate melts in your hands. When the chocolate melts in your hand, your dough will change in color. It will look much darker than the other one, okay? So we'll put the ears here and then we press together, press. Good. Now we have some Skittles. Our Skittles are going to be the eyes and nose. Which color do you want? Pick any color. I'm picking red. Which one are you picking? Red too. So pick another color for the 2 eyes. Good. And one for the nose. One for the nose. Good job. Now we'll continue with the remaining dough until we finish and fill our tray. Yes. Jewel, some more?
Yes.
So Jewel, we've continued until we finished all the dough. Press for me this bowl. Now finish putting the Skittles. You can put in this one here. Oh, we have one Skittle left. Do you want to eat the Skittle?
Yes.
Okay. How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy. Now our Skittles are over, but that is not a problem because the chocolate chip cookies are still okay even without the Skittles. We're going to bake this in our preheated oven. We preheat our oven at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. We are now going to put our cookies in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go to the oven. Now, Jewel, we already preheat our oven at 180 degrees. For how many minutes? 5 minutes. 5
minutes.
Now we put our cookies in the oven. Our oven is hot. You're scared?
Yes.
Don't be scared. You can't get burnt. You try and touch.
No.
You don't want to touch? No. We're going to set our timer at 10 minutes, 180 degrees, and then we'll come back shortly after the 10 minutes. So Jewel, let's look at the cookies. Are they ready?
Yes.
They look ready, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so our cookies baked for 10 minutes, then we added 3 more minutes because we felt like they were a bit undercooked. At home, you'll just check your cookies and you can add the time. So our cookies are now ready. We're going to take them out of the oven. They smell delicious. Do they smell good?
Yes.
Oh, they look so nice. So now our chocolate chips are out of the oven. So we're going to remove them gently and put them on the side of the plate. They're supposed to be very moist at the middle and golden brown on the outside. Yes. On the sides. Jewel, are you ready to taste the cookies?
Yes.
Pick one. Aya. Let's taste the cookies. Also, let me pick one.
It's a bit hot.
Yes, crack the cookie. Do you want to taste?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Nice. What do you think of the cookie?
Good.
Good. I think it's delicious.
Also me.
It's delicious. This is a perfect evening snack or morning snack for tea, coffee, chocolate. So we're going to wait for them to cool down and then we'll continue eating them over a cup of coffee. Right, Jewel? Or you want chocolate? Chocolate for you. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What?